You might have to edit some of the video. Like please listen to the sound before you put it on the thing, because I think there might be a few words in there that are probably be better they weren't. Say a stretch.
The time has no beginnings and just no guys.
So let's start here. So make the pass. One guy stretches, one guy regroups. It's like what do you call it? Jackhammer pass.
Restless for to hear the hammer play. Their minds were overflowing with the things of their day. With many a fortune,
he's joining in. Yeah, there he goes, jumping up. Now he's driving the middle. So these two guys coming fast.
Running from the sea to the sea, bringing the goods to all up in the seaboards and into their hands. Look away, said they, across this mighty land, from the eastern shore to the western strand. Bring the workers and bring up the rails. We gotta lay down the tracks and tear up the trails. Open their heart, let the lifeblood flow. Gotta get on our way, 'cause we're moving too slow. Bring in the workers and bring up the rails. We gotta lay down the tracks and tear up the trails. Open their heart, let the lifeblood flow. Gotta get on